Meet the typical company. They've got projects, timelines, and client meetings. They need to juggle all of these while staying on top of their game. When it comes to their e-commerce company store and promotional merchandise, things get even more complicated. Inventory, fulfillment, branding guidelines, rogue spending, inaccurate inventory reports. It's a circus. But there's an easier way. Introducing Bob Lilly Promotions, turning your branded merchandise nightmares into seamless, automated processes. For 25 years, we've been blending creativity, technology, and business savvy to save our clients time and money. Experience a substantial increase in adherence to brand standards. Gain greater visibility and control over your promotional merchandise and print spend. Reduce costs through our competitive pricing model. And say goodbye to time-consuming tasks. Thanks to our state-of-the-art technology. What makes us unique? Our dedicated team. You'll get in-house creative designers, a warehouse team with a 99.8% order accuracy rate, orders in and out the same day, dedicated customer support reps and seasoned account managers, all part of our package. And our platform. It's packed with features like Salesforce integration, SSO options, split shipment options, and password-protected user groups, just to name a few. And we're not just talk. We're a 10-time Best Places to Work winner, a 2-time Inc. 5000's fastest growing company, an NFL master licensee, and part of the prestigious PeerNet Group. We are proven industry experts. So let us take your company from chaos to calm, from scattered to streamlined. Contact a Bob Lilly representative and discover how our online company stores can transform your branded merchandise and engagement programs today. Bob Lilly Promotions will enhance, engage, and excel your brand.